So here in front of me is the Hawker Siddeley Nimrod, which is a plane that was retired in 2011 from the Air Force, but it was basically half spy plane, half bomber, because it was used in the Falklands War, but it's also used to spot submarines. Unfortunately, it's not very good at spotting nuclear submarines. Now, right behind me, over here, is the Handley Page Victor, which is a nuclear bomber. I think these ones carried the Blue Steels as well as the Vulcan did. Over there in the distance, we have a Spitfire. And right in front of me is the Canberra. And just over there, I think that is a Tornado. Now, at 3 o'clock today, this thing's engines will start running. So I hope to catch that on camera. And also tonight is the night shot day, where you're able to take pictures of this thing at night when they turn on all the floodlights. Also down below, which I've already been in, is the Bombay, where I think this thing carried nuclear depth charges and air-to-air missiles. But I'm not too sure about the air-to-air missiles. They definitely carried nuclear depth charges. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Right here is the Nimrod. I don't see it, it's very dark. But I shall see you in the next one. Goodbye.